Lloyd M. Terry, W. 2015.
Your Honor, this is a defense motion for bail review hearing. We understand and note that, unlike most of my clients think, it's not a bail reduction hearing. It's not a bail increase hearing. It's a review. It's a review of the circumstances. And I note that this is the first time that we've come before the court on the issue of bail. We respectfully submit that this case merits a bail amount at the highest of $50,000, and we're asking the court for a 10% option. The alleged victims have questionable backgrounds and motivations for even making the complaints that led to these charges. And we would note that the alleged victims in both cases are well-known drug dealers that were on the Rutgers University campus or affiliated with Rutgers University. And I'm not making light of any crime, Your Honor. However, there are only allegations at this point, and based on what we know, this doesn't seem to be the serious, violence-filled incident that we've been led to believe occurred on the Rutgers campus.
The mindset of this young man right here should not mislead anyone. This is not, as counsel says, a young man who's caught up by implication. Caught up by implication. This is a young man who came into law enforcement and lied. So he comes into law enforcement and says, they ask him very, very specifically, what was Dre Boggs involved in? I don't know. Despite the fact that he wraps a t-shirt around his face in order to go to 20 Prosper Street, and counsel will have you say somehow and have you believe that the community's not at risk. Prosper Street, the last time I looked, is part of this community, and it's not just on the school grounds, it's part of the community. So here is a young man that decides, I'm going to go with my boy TJ, and I'm going to go with my boy Dre, and I'm going to forget about my opportunities in the Air Force and what everyone has taught me and all the religious upbringing, and I'm going to go and rob my friend, somebody who he knew. He knew him. And that's why he was utilized. So all of the nurturing about God, and you wrap your face in a t-shirt and then go rob your friend. And then people are going to sit here and talk to me about the bottom line of the bail schedule and how this is excessive bail and everything else, and his ties and his upbringing. He forgot what he was taught at North Brunswick, because when the lure of college life grabbed on to LJ Terry, it didn't let go. And there's nothing like that in the brief.